Yeah. Mm. Yeah, Dinesh. Yeah, Dinesh, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Dinesh, welcome. Yeah. We were discussing about this
MSP, sir.
MSP. MSP, at least you must know what is the MSP for rice, paddy, or
Yes, sir.
what is the MSP for paddy now?
For common grade, it is 1920, sir. And
Hmm.
for its A grade, it is 1940, sir.
Acha, acha. It is sufficient. You talk about your own state only, whatever it is.
Yeah, sir. It is. If we
Or-
talk frankly, it is not sufficient, sir.
Oh, acha, they may ask outside our state also.
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha, you are telling the price offered by government is not adequate. That's what you say?
No. Yes, sir. I'm saying that's only, sir.
Because you are a farmer, you know about it. And you know, because the cost of production itself is very high. That's what you say, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Cost of production, and the way you said they are incurring 25,000, sorry, 40,000 spending, and they get 50,000 only per acre.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, why this girl has not come? Yeah. Hello, please come now. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Now, so you know what is the MSP for wheat? You may not know because it is not there in your place.
Telangana, sir.
Telangana,
Yes.
it is not there. Acha, what are the factors that are taken into account in determining the MSP?
Sir, MSP is calculated based upon the A2 method, sir. This A2 method could be included the A1 method plus the land rent paid by an farmer, sir. A1 in the A1 it could include the different types of expenditure such as the machinery, seeds, and the value of the hired labor, value of the family labor, and the value of the bullocks, and the value of the bullocks for working, sir. And the value of the all type of machinery, sir. This MSP is calculated 1.5 times that of cost of production, sir. Cost of cultivation, sir. Sorry, cost of cultivation, sir.
But here I find that determination of MSP in formulating the following were taken into account: cost of production, changes in input prices, input output price parity, trends in market prices, demand and supply, intercrop price parity, effect of industrial cost structure, effect on cost of living, effect on general price level, international price situation, parity between prices paid and prices received by farmers, effect on issue of prices and implications for subsidy. ऐसा में भी बहुत कुछ दिया है जी, आप उसका बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ लो. विभा जी.
Okay, sir.
विभा.
Yes, sir.
आप भी उसको पढ़ो जी. And
Okay, sir. सर वो जो वेबसाइट कैप्सूल दिया था वही पढ़ना है ना सर?
no, जो कुछ हमने दिया है FCI कैप्सूल, उसका अंदर में ये सब मिलता है. इसमें about pricing of sugarcane also they have given. So you please go through that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Can you tell me what is agricultural marketing, Vibha?
सर एग्रीकल्चर मार्केटिंग इज जब सर फार्मर्स का अपने यील्ड को, अपने प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में सर सेल करना. यूजुअली एपीएमसीज में सब फार्मर्स अपने प्रोडक्ट सेल करते हैं. सर दैट्स कॉल्ड एग्रीकल्चर मार्केटिंग.
Good. Understand? Yeah, very good. So, Dinesh, can you tell me what is agricultural marketing?
The selling of the final produce of the farmer in the markets is called as an agricultural marketing, sir.
Very good. What are the recent initiatives taken by the government in this regard?
Enam, sir. Enam is an online platform for selling the produce of the farmers.
Good.
Yes.
Aviba, you know about Enam?
Yes, sir. It is electronic net.
Hmm.
National agriculture markets.
Yes, National Agriculture Market, yes sir. Sir, it's
Hmm.
an online portal जहाँ
Hmm.
पे farmers अपने product की price
Hmm.
खुद अपना I'm sorry sir, I'm not
I
find the
will, I
word.
will, I will tell you. NAM,
Okay.
National Agricultural Marketing, is
Market.
envisaged as a pan-India electronic trading portal which seeks to network the existing APMC. What is APMC?
Agriculture,
Primary market committee, sir.
Okay.
I think
And
it's agriculture produce.
agriculture is productivity something, na? AP.
No, sir.
I think
Agriculture
produce
produce
market
market
committee.
committee, sir.
Market committee.
Yeah,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. And other market yards. 1 minute. Battery is coming down. I will put. This, laptop battery is coming low. I will put it. Ram.
हेलो दिनेश,
Yes.
आपका कॉल लेटर आ गया क्या इंटरव्यू का?
नहीं.
Say seeks to network electronic trading portal which seeks to network the existing APMC and other market yards to create a unified market for agricultural commodities. NAM is a virtual market, but it has a physical market, mandi at the back end. And so ये सब आप लोग पढ़ना है. Even though I am going to tell you, it may not be sufficient. यहाँ पर दिया
sir.
है, what is the difference between NAM and existing mandi system? Why is NAM necessary? How will NAM operate? Are there any conditions for joining NAM? Will the APMC mandis lose out business? Who will bear the costs of NAM? Who will actually operate NAM? Ministry of Agriculture, Farmers Welfare, Government of India has appointed Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium as the lead implementing agency for NAM.
ENAM.
Yes, SFAC will operate and maintain NAM ENAM platform with the help of strategic partners selected for the purpose. What are the likely benefits of NAM? This alone I will read, please listen. NAM is envisaged as a win-win solution. For the farmers, NAM promises more options for sale at his nearest mandi. For the local trader in the mandi, NAM offers the opportunity to access larger market for secondary trading. Bulk buyers, processors, exporters, etc. benefit from being able to participate directly in trading at the local mandi level through NAM platform, thereby reducing their intermediation costs. The gradual integration of all the major mandis in the state's NAM will ensure common procedures. पढ़ लीजिए बस. There is one more, E-Rakam. आपने सुना है इसका बारे में? E-Rakam योजना.
No sir.
E-Rakam Yojana, E-Rakam portal for selling agri produce. This also is given. इसका बारे में जो दिया है वो भी पढ़ लीजिए. And recent, not this is not recent. पहले budget का latest highlights also given. I suggest you can go through google.com and search for 2021 budget agriculture highlights.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Agriculture highlights. If you put like that, it is, if I am now getting Canada, I should get India. Yeah, what are the highlights of agriculture related to agriculture in budget 2021-22? The Department of Agriculture, Cooperation, Farmers Welfare is allocated, please note down, 1,23,018 crore.
1 minute.
Please note down, 1,23,000 18 crore. I am giving it in our Telegram page.
Okay, sir.
I am putting it
Okay,
in
sir.
our Telegram page so that you can
Okay,
see it, can see it afterwards also, which is 14% annual increase over 2019-20. The Department of Agriculture Research and Education has been allocated 8,514 crore in 2021-22 at 6% increase over 2019-20. Which sector has the highest budget in 2021? It is not agriculture, it is railways. What is Operation Green Scheme? Do you know what is Operation Green Scheme? Operation Greens seeks to stabilize the supply of tomato, onion,
Potato, onion. Yes, sir.
Tomato,
Rashmi.
onion,
tomato,
potato.
onion, and potato.
Potato.
Top
Yes,
crop.
sir.
Because why these three are given importance?
These are essential crops, sir.
Yeah, everyday food के लिए तो चाहिए, especially
Yes,
in
sir.
North India. Our विभा जी,
Yes, sir.
आपका घर में तो रोज पोटैटो बनाएंगे ना आप लोग?
Yes, sir.
Because I know North India. I was in Delhi, Siliguri, Jalpaiguri and all. There, the people, any dinner they will call us, they will give chapati with what is that?
Yes, so बिना
Potato.
सर मतलब बिना आलू प्याज टमाटर की सब्जी नहीं बनती है सर.
Exactly. Dinesh, this is what we are telling. Without tomato, onion, potato, they can't make food.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason. Good. Now, what is PM Kisan Sampada Yojana? Any idea? It is a comprehensive package which will result in creation of modern infrastructure with efficient supply chain management from farm gate to retail outlet. PM Kisan Sampada Yojana.
Yojana.
I am giving that also
Okay, sir.
in our Sivan.
सर क्या इंटरव्यू में वो कोई बैंकिंग टर्म्स भी पूछेंगी या फिर सिर्फ
Yeah, I am
एग्रीकल्चर से
coming
रिलेटेड?
to that.
ओके.
I know I have to tell you about that, but I thought
Okay.
thoda ye complete karega because
ओके.
that boy Dinesh ko I have not talked about agriculture at all. पहले एक बार
Yes, sir.
पहले आए थे. That is why. Then here please listen. Once you search India 2021 budget agriculture highlights, that link also, what you have to search I am giving in our Telegram. You please search like that and आपको बहुत कुछ information मिलेगा जिसको रख के आप prepare कर सकते हैं. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now we will come to banking. विभा जी,
यस सर.
आपका family, what is your father?
सर ही इज एन फॉरेस्ट रेंज ऑफिसर.
अच्छा, you told me. Sorry.
यस सर.
एक बार बोला था. How many siblings you have? You told me.
सर आई हैव 2 siblings.
Oh, both are sisters.
No, sir. Brother and sister.
Brother and sister. Good. And the reason for choosing agriculture, you told already. Now, how do you think this agricultural field officer job will be suitable for you?
सर बिकॉज मेरी सर टेक्निकल नॉलेज इसमें काम आएगी. मैंने 4 साल जो पढ़ाई करी है सर अपनी, मैं फार्मर्स को बता सकती हूँ उन्हें नई उनकी कंडीशन के हिसाब से उनके लिए क्या सही रहेगा. उन्हें गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम्स को प्रमोट कर सकती हूँ कि उन्हें किस तरीके से फायदा मिल सकता है. तो यस सर, आई एम सुटेबल फॉर दिस जॉब.
Very good. Dinesh, please tell me,
Sir.
how this the agriculture finance officer job in Telangana is suitable for you?
Sir, actually, I have studied BS Agriculture, sir. This knowledge I have studied. What I have gained knowledge in these 4 years is mostly useful for the farmers only, sir. If I joined a bank, I would suggest the farmers to go which type of variety is suitable for their climate, and how a farmer get a benefits by using these type of varieties. And the most of the farmers don't know about the schemes which was promoted by the government of India, sir.
Good. Now
I will
now-
let them know by sir.
Now we will come straight to priority sector.
Yes, sir.
Tell
The
me
sector,
what is
these are,
what is priority sector? Talk with special reference to agriculture.
yes, sir. These are the sectors which was given importance by the RBI, sir. This priority sector lending could includes the agriculture, MSME, housing, education,
Hmm.
housing, education, and the rural infrastructure, etc., sir. In the case of agriculture, in the case of the scheduled commercial banks, the 40% of A and BC should be given to PSL, sir. This is priority sector lending, sir. In the case of RRBs, it should be the 75% of A and BC should be given to the this priority sector lending, sir. In the both the cases, 18% of the A and BC should be given to agriculture, sir.
How much should be given to 18% should be given to agriculture. And
Yes, sir.
Again, they divide. Acha, I am giving you a link in our Telegram page. You please follow that. That is nothing but Reserve Bank's priority sector. उसमें आपको बहुत कुछ information मिलेगा. You can make use of that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. यहाँ पर farm credit individual farmers, then farm credit corporate farmers, then agriculture is infrastructure, ancillary services. Following loans under ancillary services will be subject to limits. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
small and marginal farmers. Farmers with land holding up to 1 hectare is marginal farmer. And as farmers with the land holding of more than 1 hectare, I think you told reverse, na, Dinesh?
Sir, no, sir. Marginal farmer is a farmer who's having the less than 1 hectare, sir.
Correct. And
Yes.
small farmer.
Small farmer have 1 to 2 hectares, sir.
Correct. Then landless agricultural laborers, loans to self-help groups, loans to 2 lakh, up to 2 lakh to individuals solely engaged. Then lending by banks to NBFCs and MFIs on lending to agriculture. So what they say, see, the banks need not give directly loan to agriculture. Is they can give to non-banking finance company also, which in turn can lend to agriculturist. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Now I am asking a good question to Viba. Please tell me what is Kisan Credit Card?
सर किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड एक गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा चलाई गई स्कीम है फार्मर्स के शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिट रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल करने के लिए. सर इसमें 7% का इंटरेस्ट रेट होता है, पर यदि फार्मर 1 साल के अंदर रिपे कर देता है अपना लोन को तो उसे 4% का इंटरेस्ट लगता है सर. और सर इसमें फार्मर्स की शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिट रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल होती है. पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट के लिए जो एक्सपेंसेस है वो उसके लिए फुलफिल होती है. जो हाउस होल्ड कंजप्शन के लिए उन्हें क्रेडिट मिलता है. बट सर हाउस होल्ड कंजप्शन के लिए उन्हें किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड का सिर्फ 10% ही मिल पाता है, 10% क्रेडिट मिलता है. एंड मशीनरीज के लिए सर जो एग्रीकल्चर मशीनरी से लाइक ट्रैक्टर और हार्वेस्टर इन सब के लिए सर 20% असिस्टेंट मिलता है सर, क्रेडिट मिलता है केसीसी के अंदर. और केसीसी कार्ड सर 5 साल के लिए वैलिड होता है.
Good.
And yes sir.
Acha, can you tell me something, Dinesh? Well, if you want to repeat, you can repeat, or if you want to add some new points, you can add.
Yes, sir. I will add, sir. The KCC is a short-term loan which was provided by the government, sir. In the KCC, if a farmer is taking the loan below 1.6 lakh, then he had to there is no need to provide collateral for this, sir. If he is taking the loan greater than 1.6 lakh, sir, he need to provide a collateral, sir. Recently, this KCC has extended to the animal husbandry and fishery farmers also, sir, which a limit of 2 lakhs, sir.
Good. Here in list of central government sponsored programs like that, it is coming. What is your name? Viba and Dinesh.
Sir.
Please note, I am giving a link in our Telegram page taken from our Bank of Maharashtra. जिसमें
Okay, sir.
they are doing major government sponsored programs, Prime Minister Employment Generation Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Deen Dayal Antodaya Yojana, National Urban Livelihood Mission, Startup India Scheme, प्रधान मंत्री आवास योजना, ये सबका बारे में आप अच्छा से पढ़ना है
ओके सर,
विभा जी,
ओके सर,
बिल्कुल बढ़िया पढ़ के मन में रखना है. एंड देन
ओके,
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट स्पॉन्सर्ड प्रोग्राम्स, यहाँ पर डिफरेंट स्टेट्स का दिया है आपको. विच स्टेट? महाराष्ट्र only lot of things are given, other things are not given. Okay, doesn't matter. And if you can know some state government sponsored programs, you can get to know about that also. Okay.
यस सर, yes,
Now, can you tell me what is the interest rate charged by our Bank of Maharashtra for gold loan normally?
It would be 7%. I think so, sir, but I don't know perfectly.
Correct. 7% is correct. Vibaji, it is nothing very tough one. Go to bankofmaharashtra.in. Then
Okay.
right side में interest rates आए, उसको click कर दीजिए, आपको सब कुछ आ जाएगा. नोट कर लीजिए. हाउसिंग
Yes.
लोन 6.40, कार
Yes, sir.
लोन 6.80, gold
Yes, sir.
loan 7.00, deposit schemes 4.90 plus something more. Different periods, different rate of interest.
Okay, sir.
Loan schemes generally 6.40. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
you must know about this. Now, Vibaji,
Yes, sir.
you studied BSc Agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Which year? 2019.
Yes, sir.
What is the CGPA scored by you or percentage?
So 73.4.
Correct. Why were you not interested in going for post graduation?
सर मैंने कभी पीजी के बारे में नहीं सोचा था सर. मैंने बस फर्स्ट ईयर ट्राई किया, बट आई कुडंट क्वालिफाई इट. देन मैंने पीजी का आइडिया ड्रॉप कर दिया सर. बट इन कॉलेज में ही सर मेरा पीजी पहला ऑप्शन नहीं था. आई वांट अ जॉब, दैट्स व्हाई मैंने पीजी के लिए ट्राई नहीं किया सर.
और ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, I wanted to join a job because it will help my family also.
ओके, ओके सर.
That is a fact also, ना? It is not for
यस
fun.
सर.
So वो
Yes.
points बता दीजिए, ठीक है?
ओके, ओके.
Now please tell me what are your strengths?
Sir, my strength is I have good leadership qualities
Hmm.
and I am punctual
Hmm.
and I am very adaptive to different environments, sir. Like I have no problem working in rural setting and rural area. So that's my strength.
अच्छा, good. थोड़ा और भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. Like
Okay.
I'm good in time management. I'm good in
Okay.
say team working. I'm a creative person, and I will not give up a work when I am not immediately getting success also. Some such extra points आप ऐड कर सकते हैं.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा और, I know most of us may not like to speak good about us, but बिल्कुल इंटरव्यू में जाने के समय पर आप अपने बारे में अच्छा सोच के जाने से तो बढ़िया है.
Okay. Yes, sir.
You must feel good about yourself. But one good thing with both of you is that you are able to talk well in English also. It is not a
Sir,
must.
मेरी
No,
इंग्लिश उतनी अच्छी नहीं है सर.
No, it's okay. It's okay. English come Hindi will do. English come Hindi will do. Dinesh is also speaking very well. Go with confidence and you can achieve real success. Now,
Okay.
coming to some more questions on banking. Which bank do you have an account, Viba?
Sir, State Bank of India, SBI.
Okay. Mr. Dinesh, which bank you have account?
Same, sir. SBI, sir. State Bank of India. Sir.
What is the speciality of State Bank of India as compared to other banks?
Sir, I
Sir,
think
interest rate of SBI would be low, sir, when compared to.
Okay, that's one point. Vibha, you tell me.
सर एसबीआई की एक फीचर ये है कि उसके ब्रांचेस बहुत ज्यादा है, लाइक रूरल एरियाज में भी उसकी पहुंच है सर एसबीआई की, तो ये एक प्लस पॉइंट है एसबीआई का.
Not only that, SBI is the largest public sector
पब्लिक
bank.
सेक्टर बैंक.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
ये
Yes,
क्यों
sir.
आपने नहीं बताया? ये तो largest public sector bank. Similarly, have you heard of the term domestically systemic important banks? सुना है? नहीं
No,
सुना.
sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Domestically systemic important banks are State Bank of India, ICICI, HDFC Bank. These three banks are so very big in business. If they fail, it will affect the economy of the country. समझ गया?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Domestically systemic important. This is the point you have to tell. Good. Now, we discussed about KCC. Fine. Now we will discuss something about what are the other purposes for which banks give agricultural loans. Vibha. Vibha ji,
Yes, sir.
what are the other purposes for which banks are giving agricultural loans? Very simple.
Sir,
You banks are
right
giving agricultural loans for development of land,
Yes, sir.
cultivation of say some bund vagera, improvement of land, or
okay.
and also
Land development loans, sir, poultry loans,
then
and
dairy loans.
मतलब
dairy
सर
loans.
इसमें सारे अलाइड एक्टिविटीज के लोन्स आ सकते हैं ना?
Yes.
Yeah, you can tell about
Okay,
allied
okay.
also. Allied also बता दो. What are the allied activities? बताइए हमको.
सर डेयरी फार्मिंग कर सकते हैं, पोल्ट्री, पिगरी एंड फिशरीज. सर these are the allied activities.
So talking about this recently, I was feeling very sad. Yesterday I was going through news. In Kerala, they are killing all the swans and burning them. Have you heard about this news? Some bird flu has come into that country, into that place, Kerala. Did you hear about this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is latest news, Baba. Latest news is Kerala. Killing. I was reading it in Kerala, killing swans because of bird flu. See, under those circumstances, the people who have taken loans and all, they will be, they'll be very much. Is there a bird flu in Kerala? Which birds are affected? Aviation influenza after MP Rajasthan. Next pandemic, bird flu spreads wildfire. Yeah, yesterday's news tha. So this also we can just get to know about this. Okay, now why in spite of all this, why agriculturists are facing problems? Dinesh, because you are a farmer yourself, bataiye why agriculturists are facing problems in spite of the fact government is giving all priority sector finance and all that. फिर क्यों problem होता है?
Sir, because of the main problem is that most of the farmers in India are the small and the marginal farmers, sir. The small and the marginal farmers account almost about 80%, sir. These small and marginal farmers could not change their cropping patterns, sir. They could not go for the new varieties. They could not go for the new hybrid varieties. They are growing the crops which the previously they are growing only, sir. Because they would have a fear that if I go for the new cropping, they may be lost. If there is a loss, they could not bear able, sir. Because actually he is doing the farming based on the credit only, sir. That's why our Indian farmers are not adapting any technology or not going for any new varieties, sir, in our area.
So they all depend on credit only. Yeah.
Most of the farmers depends upon credit only, sir. Small and marginal
Yes.
farmers.
Yeah. Now, what is your idea, please, Biba?
यस सर, इज राइट। हमारे देश की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है, फार्मर्स की दिक्कत यही है कि हमारे देश में स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर्स की संख्या ज्यादा है। उनके पास रिस्क बेयरिंग कैपेसिटी कम है। वे कोई भी नई क्रॉप वैरायटी अपनाने से डरते हैं, क्योंकि अगर लॉस हो गया तो वे रिपे नहीं कर पाएंगे, और उनके पास इतनी इनकम नहीं होती है कि वे अपनी अधिकतर से स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर जो है वो सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग ही करते हैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए। उसके बाद अगर उनके पास कुछ बचा तो वे मार्केट में सेल करते हैं।
Mm,
सो ये उनकी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है सर, वो सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग में ही बिजी रह जाते हैं, वे कमर्शियल फार्मिंग की तरफ नहीं जा पाते।
mm. So you cannot come out to commercial cropping. You cannot come because of that. Very good.
यस यस सर,
Yeah.
बिकॉज ऑफ द स्मॉल लैंड होल्डिंग दे हैव।
Yeah, small land holding, and also because many of them, they also borrow from outside borrowers, money
Yes, sir.
lenders. With the
Money
result,
lenders.
they are not able to meet the credits needs and all that. Good, very good. Now, what do you know about a Reserve Bank of India? Who will tell about this first? Vibha, please tell me, what do you know about Reserve Bank of India? What is the connection between Reserve Bank of India and Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, Reserve Bank of India is known as Bankers Bank, and इसका establishment so 1934 में RBI Act 1934 के तहत हुआ था।
Hmm.
RBI सर अपनी मॉनेटरी पॉलिसीज के तहत हमारे देश में इन्फ्लेशन और मनी सप्लाई को वो रेगुलेट करती है।
Hmm.
और RBI की सर RBI एक्ट 1934 के शेड्यूल
Hmm.
जितने भी बैंक लिस्टेड है सर उन्हें शेड्यूल कमर्शियल बैंक कहते हैं, जिनमें से एक बैंक बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र भी है।
Hmm. Good. Hmm. Good, good.
Yes,
You,
sir.
you related it very well. But you can tell some more points also. RBI is bankers bank, bankers to government, then note issuing authority, then controller of foreign exchange and monetary policy control.
Sir, I will say.
Yeah, please tell.
Sir, RBI was established in the year 1935 and the April 1st, sir. It was established on
No,
the
no.
recommendation of the Younger Hilton Company.
Boys, girls, interview is only 10 minutes time. इधर में आपको हिस्ट्री सब बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. Come straight to present RBI.
Yes, sir, RBI function, sir.
RBI governor is so and so. RBI function
Shakti-
बता दो
sir.
बस.
Yes, sir. The present governor of RBI is the Shaktikant Das, sir, IAS. The main function of the RBI is to issue of the currency notes, sir. It helps in the controlling of the inflation and deflation, sir. It is called as Central Bank of India, sir. It provides the loans to the government and it provides the loans to the banks. In the RBI Act 1934, Schedule 2 was under the formation of the public sector banks, which was under the Bank of Maharashtra, sir.
No, you are not told clearly. Shaktikanta Das is the governor of RBI, and
Yes, sir.
RBI's main functions is one, note issuing authority.
Yes,
Number
sir.
two, bankers to bank. And
Yes,
number
sir.
three, bankers to government. Number
Yes, sir.
four, foreign exchange control authority. Number five,
Yes, sir.
monetary policy control
Policy.
authority.
Sir,
And,
acts as a custodian.
and Bank of Maharashtra is one of the scheduled commercial bank included in the second schedule of RBI Act.
Yes, sir.
This is whatever he said is not wrong, but थोड़ा और भी refine करके बोल सकते हैं. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. How do you imagine yourself? Supposing we select you as officer AFO in Bank of Maharashtra, 5 साल का बाद में कैसे आपको सामान लेते हैं? How do you imagine yourself, Dinesh?
Sir, in the 5 years, I would be continuing in the banks only, sir. I would be working properly and I would getting a good promotions and I will be in the higher position, sir. I think so.
Very good. I think so, mat bolo. I
Okay,
will
sir.
be. अच्छा, what about
I will be, sir.
Vibha, बोलिए.
यस सर, मैं अपने आप को एक एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड ऑफिसर के तौर पे देखती हूँ, और 5 साल बाद सर मैं अपने आप को एक प्रमोशन लेवल पे क्योंकि सर जूनियर मैनेजमेंट ग्रेड स्केल 2 या फिर मिडिल मैनेजमेंट ग्रेड स्केल लाइक सीनियर मैनेजमेंट तक मैं जा सकती हूँ सर अगले 5 सालों में।
At least middle management scale 2. You could have got scale 2 or scale 3 also. Depends on the
डिपेंड्स यस, डिपेंड्स ऑन माय
depend-
परफॉर्मेंस यस सर।
performance. Good, good, good.
यस
Do you know something about lead bank scheme? सुना है इसका बारे में?
Yes, sir.
यस
बताइए दिनेश, lead bank scheme.
Sir, lead bank scheme was established on the recommendation of G.R. Gadgil, sir. The lead bank works under the rules and regulations of RBI, sir. The main aim of lead bank scheme is to extend the banking facilities to all the people who are living in the rural areas, sir.
No. Vibha, you tell me.
यस सर लीड बैंक स्कीम इज सर इसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव था लीड बैंक स्कीम लाने का सर। आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट ईयर इट कम बट ऑब्जेक्टिव सर ये
Year
था।
and all not required.
ओके ओके सर।
Tell what is
Sir,
the objective of lead bank scheme?
सर ऑब्जेक्टिव सर सर रूरल एरियाज में पर्टिकुलर एक या दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक बैंक को ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी गई थी कि वो यहाँ पे रूरल एरियाज में ब्रांचेस खुलवाए, लोगों की बैंक में अकाउंट्स खुलवाए। दूसरे मेंबर बैंक्स को इनकरेज करे कि वो यहाँ पे अपने ब्रांच खोले और यदि कोई मेंबर ब्रांच नहीं इसके लिए नहीं मार रहा है तो वो लीड बैंक खुद अपना ब्रांचेस वहाँ पे ओपन करेंगे।
Super. Dinesh, I think what she told was correct. Lead bank district scheme lead bank scheme का अंदर में each district is allotted to one bank. Normally
Yes,
it is a bank
okay,
which
sir.
has got more bank branches. That bank makes study about that district and convenes lead bank meetings periodically and allocates targets for other banks to achieve during the current year. And they discuss with the other bank members. Collector also participates and targets are fixed and efforts are taken to reach the targets. And it is for improvement of the living standards of people in each and every district. Gadigal committee report. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
यस सर।
वीबा जी, हमको ये
Yes, sir.
बताओ बैंक को कहां से इनकम आता है?
सर बैंक जो लोन देती है उससे जो इंटरेस्ट मिलता है उससे इनकम आता है।
Super.
सर बैंक
Super,
इन्वेस्टमेंट
super.
बैंकिंग यस सर।
Very good. Come on.
सर बैंक इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में भी इन्वॉल्व होती है, जो गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज बॉन्ड्स में इन्वेस्ट करती है उससे भी उसे इनकम होता है।
Good.
एंड सर गवर्नमेंट पैरा बैंकिंग में इन्वॉल्व होती है, जैसे मोबाइल जो सबसे फैसिलिटी देती है बैंक हमें लाइक घर पे बैठ के पेमेंट करना, लाइक ऑनलाइन पेमेंट, उसके बदले में जो फीस सर चार्ज करती है हमसे कुछ फीस, उस पे वो अपना प्रॉफिट अर्न करती है सर बैंक।
Good. Service charges and also you can tell
सर्विस
about
चार्जेस
bank assurance charges, bank assurance service, life insurance, general insurance canvas करने
यस
से
सर।
उसमें से हम लोग का कमीशन मिलता है,
ओके
ये भी बता सकते हैं, ठीक है? Good.
ओके
Now I will ask a different question for Dinesh. Dinesh,
Sir.
State Bank of India में which branch you have account?
In Aler, sir, which is located in Telangana, sir.
Very good. Now, have you heard of the concept IRDA? What is it?
Integrated Rural Development Areas.
No.
In agriculture, okay, sir. In agriculture, in extension.
IRDAI. What is IRDAI? There is an office in Hyderabad also. Subhash Chandra Kuntia is the chairman.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
That is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Okay, sir.
क्यों भूल गया आपका? Hello, Dinesh.
Sir. Sir.
You forgot about this Insurance
No, sir.
Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Actually, I don't know about this, sir.
Acha, that is the authority which is controlling the insurance companies like LIC, other life insurance companies, general insurance companies and all. इसका बारे में आप थोड़ा पढ़ना है, पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will definitely, sir.
Yeah, good. That is right. Now, do you have any questions? Now, I think we may have 2 minutes time only. Any question, please?
सर
Sir,
प्लीज मुझे
Yeah.
टाइप्स ऑफ लोन अकाउंट समझा दीजिए सर, मुझे अब तक समझ नहीं आ रहे वो।
अच्छा, types of loan account,
Yes.
banks are giving loan against deposit, loan against deposit, loan against jewel loans. Banks also give loans for agriculture purposes. Banks also in the form of Kisan credit card, other term loans. Banks also give, say, uh, other priority sector advances like housing loan, education loan, infrastructure loan, then a renewable energy loan, then small, medium and small enterprises group, and also next one, say, for self-help groups. And also banks gives mudra loans, उसका बारे में पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. मुद्रा लोन्स
sir.
शिशु, किशोर,
शिशु, किशोर, तरुण.
Tarun, 50,000 up, then 50,000 1 to 5 lakhs, above 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
These are the loans. इतना जानने से बढ़िया हो जाएगा. But agriculture में क्या? Banks are mainly giving loans for KCC, then gold loans, and also say agriculture development loans and agriculture allied activity loans. Okay. Then any other doubts आप लोग ये WhatsApp में डाल दीजिए. I will make out a video and post it in our YouTube.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
That will be better. जो कुछ doubt आ रहा है, you please put it in my WhatsApp. You put a question. I will prepare answers for that and put it as video or give you the content also. ठीक है?
Okay.
And
Okay,
now,
sir.
Vibha, you have to study that materials I have given. In that
Okay,
material, there is one material, guidely material. उसको भी पूरा पढ़ लो जी.
Okay, sir.
Guidely banking material है, उसको पूरा पढ़ो जी.
Yes, sir.
Dinesh, you already studied that?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. That will be sufficient. That will take care of all your banking needs. Hypothecation, mortgage, then pledge. ये सब आपको जानना जरूरी है. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
I
Thank you.
enjoy talking to both of you. Best
Okay.
wishes. After